This may look just like a wall going up, but this is the type of work that you don't see unless you document it. My name is Gord. I'm a licensed and insured drone operator working in construction. This is a large industrial site. You're looking at a full perimeter wall, built in phases over time. At the base, this is a stone-strong precast retaining wall system installed section by section. Above it, you've got a precast noise barrier installed in panels. And none of this goes up all at once. This is installed like Lego blocks, piece by piece, over time. Now you're looking at footage that was captured over multiple visits. Same approach, same angles over time. You start to see sections come online, progress building piece by piece. And when you step back, you start to see the full scale of it. This entire site is roughly 80 acres. The full perimeter of this wall will be over 2 kilometers. Now this is what consistency looks like. You can see progress in sections. You can track what's complete and what's not. You can understand the scale of it. And you can verify sequence of work. Now this is where it starts to matter. It creates a record, not just of the work, but of when it was done. It helps verify progress and shows exactly what's been completed against scope. And when questions come up, like billing, timelines, and disputes, you've got the visual record to see it. This isn't about a wall. This is about having a visual record of what was done, when it was done, and how much of it was done when. A lot of construction happens like this, piece by piece, section by section. If you're not documenting it as it happens, you lose the story. This is the kind of documentation most people overlook. And that's exactly what clients end up needing later. Simple work, documented properly, that's where the real value is. So that's what progress on a real site looks like. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.